A barbecued fish. Guys, I love fish so much. And this was just amazing. I did not use the normal fish spices. I went crazy. So I started by pouring my fish spice. And that's the fish spice. And then I added my vegetable spices as well. The vegetable seasoning. And then I added the crazy part of it, the chicken sauce. So this is meant for chicken, but try it in fish. And then I also added the chicken barbecue sauce. Guys, try this too. You can use any brands. This was the first time using these brands. I came across them when I went shopping and they were amazing. So we are going to cut our fish so that we properly marinate it and all the spices get in there. Hi guys, this fish was it. Okay, I think I've been saying that a lot, but I really enjoyed this fish. And so there we go. I like using my hands, guys. I know most of you don't find it hygiene. And I know it has to be gloves or something, but I feel when I'm massaging with my hands, it's really getting in there. But I'll try the black gloves very soon. I don't know when, but yeah, I'll get the black gloves and I'll try that because I really enjoy massaging and making sure that everything gets the same flavor. So I'm going to marinate. After marinade, I am putting it in a foil. Then I'm going to leave it for like an hour to really have a relationship between the marinade and the fish. I'm so grateful it didn't have my type of disastrous relationship because it would have been a disaster. So this is the process where I'm putting it. I bought the heavy duty from ShopRite, but the heavy duty wasn't heavy dutying, so I had to go over the fish at least 2 times to avoid any leakages, any burning, or direct contact with the fire. Guys, this fish, you don't understand. I wish you guys were all there to taste the fish and have the same experience that I did. Please do try the recipe and let me know what you think. So I'm going to put this on the fire. I was patient enough to turn it until it's cooked, guys. Even the sauce is amazing. I ended up having it with rice. You can have it with your pap. You can have it with your salads. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. But this fish, you can even see by the color that you know what, this was it. Even this sauce.